Once again, a very good morning to all of you. Now, come up to page number 10. This is the part 5 of Social Studies, class 3, chapter number 1. So, in the last class, we have studied about the birth of a child, the different change in the family. There are two kind of changes in the family. There is the birth and the marriage of a family, and the last two were either a person in a family passes by or any person who leaves the family for job or the further higher studies. So these were the changes what we see in our family. Now come up to page number 10. The second thing and then another thing is working parents. In every family, different members do different kinds of work. While children go to school, grown-ups go to the office, factories, shops, banks, hospitals or some other place to work. Now, different kinds of members are there in all the families. Children go to school, the other which are grown up, they go to office, factories, shops, some works in the banks, hospitals, and there are different kinds of work which the persons in the family do for the family to earn so that they can earn money and they can run the family. So work is important for people because by working they earn money and can take care of their families. Now here, what is the work? Work is very important. Why work is very important? Work is very important for people because they work, they earn money and can take care of their families. People also work because they enjoy the work that they do. Now some people are doing the work and they enjoy their work also. Now come up to the page 11. Many of our parents go for work. In your family also, your mother, father, both of them are going for work. Either your mother is staying at home and taking all the household chores and father is going out for working. So in all the families, some or the other person is going out for the work. Sometimes father goes out for work while the mother works at home, taking care of the houses and other family members. Now what happens? Sometimes the father goes out for the work and the mother stays at home taking care of the house and the family members. In some families, the mother may go out for work while the father take care of the house. In some families, what happen? The father can also stay at home and he can take care of the family members and the mother goes out for work. It can be both the things. In most families in big cities, both the parents work outside the house. Now in bigger cities, to earn money and to run the family nicely, both the mother and the father work and go outside for working. When both parents go out for work, their children are looked after by other grown-ups, the grandparents and some other elders who stays at home. Now what happened here? If both the parents, the mother and the father, are going out for working, so the children are looked after by the grown-ups. Either they can be grandparents or the elder brother or the sister. When there are no grown-ups at home to look after small children, often leave their children in a crèche. Now if there is nobody at home to take care of the children, so in this way they drop their children to a crèche and where they can live and they can play and the other person can take care of that particular child. The crèche is a daycare that takes care of the children whose parents have to go out for work. This is a place where this is a place or a center where the children are kept and whose parents are keeping them there and they go out for work. They look after the children for the time that the parents remain at work. They see the children till the parents are doing their work outside. In some families, one of the parent or both work from their homes. Now the you have learned that right now what is the situation. In this situation, all of them are working from home. So in some families, one of the parents are or both work from the homes. We can stay at home and we can do our work from home also, like we are doing now. What you are doing? You are staying at home, but you can study through these videos. Yes. So likewise, everybody can stay at home, and in the other way, they are staying at home through laptops or through computers. They are doing their daily work. In many villages, the parents go out for work too. Now in the villages also, the parents are going out for work. They might go out to the field to look after their crops, go fishing, go out to sell the things that they make, or do some other kind of work. Either they are going to the field. Can you see this picture? In the picture they are sowing the seeds. So either they are going to the fields to for the crops, or they can go for fishing, or they can go for market to sell the things what they have sown, and or else many other things are also there. For that they can go outside for work. Here one or both parents may go out for work. Either one or two, both can go for work in the villages as well. Work is necessary and people enjoy it too. Now the work is very necessary and they are enjoying this, but it can also be tiring. Now work is enjoying also, but on the other half it can be tiring also. Just like how we feel tired after a day of studies and games, our parents feel tired at the end of the day of work outside or at home. Now when you go to, before you were going to school, and what you were doing? You were going to school and you were from 6 o'clock till 11:30 you were at school. So what it was, you have to wake up at 5 o'clock, then you have to get ready, go to school and all. So when you come home, you got tired. In this way, our parents also got tired. Either they are going outside the home for work, or they are staying at home, still they get tired also. So one is that work is necessary for people to enjoy, but on the other hand it will be tiring also. So it is important to help them with the household chores and ask them how their day has been. Now we can help our parents in small things. Caring for each other and helping each other is the most important part of being a family. Now, caring and helping is a very good activity, and we should do with each other in our family as well as with our friends. Family may change over time. They might grow bigger or smaller. Some family members might move from one place to another for various reasons. Now families can changes over time. This can be either bigger or it can be smaller. Might move from one place to another for various reasons. Now they can move from one place to another. It can be many reasons. But as long as the member of a family care for each other, share things with each other, the family remains strongly bonded. Now they are telling that if we are caring and helping each other, we will be having a strong bond with our family members. Either we are staying in the other city also, if we are sharing our thoughts, if we are caring, if we are helping others, so in this way we will have a strong bond with our family members, and this is called a family. So here we have completed our chapter. The recapitulation is here. Read these points, revise the whole chapter. In the next video I will be giving you the exercises as well as the question answers. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day.